Welcome to RenovationX, where we turn your home dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into something that's been taking Dubai's landscaping world by storm: premium artificial grass solutions. Whether you're looking to revamp your garden, balcony, or even your indoor spaces, I'm going to show you why artificial grass might just be the perfect solution. I get it. The scorching sun and extreme heat here in Dubai make it a challenge to maintain lush, green lawns. But what if I told you there's a way to have that beautiful, green, natural look year-round without the hassle of maintenance? That's where premium artificial grass comes in, and trust me, it's a game changer for homeowners here in Dubai. Now, a lot of people still have misconceptions about artificial grass. They think it looks fake, it feels uncomfortable, or it's only for outdoor spaces. But here's the thing, today's premium artificial grass looks and feels incredibly realistic, and it can be used in almost any space you can imagine. In fact, many luxury villas and commercial spaces in Dubai are now using it to create stunning landscapes with zero maintenance. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transform your space with artificial grass, whether it's your garden, balcony, or even indoor spaces. I'll cover everything from choosing the right type of grass to installation tips, and we'll also explore some common mistakes to avoid, so you can get the best results possible. So let's get started. Artificial grass isn't just for the backyard anymore, it's a versatile solution for a variety of spaces. Let's talk about why so many homeowners in Dubai are choosing it. One of the biggest benefits of artificial grass is the low maintenance. Imagine no more mowing, no more watering, and no more fertilizing. In Dubai's dry, hot climate, natural grass requires constant attention and a lot of water. With artificial grass, you get the lush, green look without all the work. It's perfect for saving time, water, and effort. Dubai's extreme temperatures can make it hard to maintain natural grass. But with premium artificial grass, you can enjoy a green, vibrant lawn all year long, no matter how high the mercury rises. Whether it's 50 degrees or cooler, artificial grass looks the same. Lush and healthy, artificial grass is made to withstand the harsh climate of Dubai. It's UV resistant, meaning it won't fade in the sun, and it's built to last for years, making it an excellent investment. You won't have to worry about brown patches or uneven growth, it stays perfect through the seasons. Despite being synthetic, high-quality artificial grass is designed to be environmentally friendly. It helps conserve water, and most products are made from recyclable materials. So, you're not only making your home more beautiful but also making a positive impact on the environment. Now that we know the benefits, let's talk about how to choose the best artificial grass for your specific needs. Not all artificial grass is created equal, and you'll want to select the right one based on your space and usage. The first thing to consider is the pile height, the length of the grass. If you want a more natural, lush look, go for grass with a higher pile height. For outdoor areas like gardens or lawns, around 30 to 40 millimeters works perfectly. For smaller spaces like balconies or terraces, you can opt for something shorter. Artificial grass comes in various colors, ranging from bright green to deeper shades of green, so it matches the natural surroundings. The best grass looks like it was freshly cut from a real lawn, lush, textured, and realistic. Make sure you choose a product that has multiple shades of green, as this adds to the realism. Look for artificial grass with a strong backing and good drainage. In Dubai's heat, good drainage is essential for ensuring the grass doesn't retain too much heat or moisture, which could cause issues. Also, a sturdy backing ensures that the grass stays in place for years to come. It's important to know whether you're using the grass for indoor or outdoor spaces. For outdoor areas, look for something designed to withstand the elements. For indoor spaces, there are softer, more luxurious options that work well with interior decor. Installing artificial grass might seem like a huge task, but with the right approach, it's straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps. Before installation, clear the area of any debris or natural grass. You may need to lay a weed barrier to prevent growth underneath the grass. Lay a base layer of sand or crushed rock to create a stable surface. This helps with drainage and ensures that your grass will stay in place. Once you've laid your grass down, roll it out and cut it to fit the area. Use landscape adhesive to secure the edges and avoid any shifting. Compact the surface with a roller to ensure the grass is securely fixed. Then, brush the fibers with a stiff brush to make the grass stand upright, giving it that natural look. Many people make the mistake of picking low-quality artificial grass that looks cheap and unrealistic. Always opt for premium options that mimic real grass with multiple colors and textures. Improper installation is one of the biggest mistakes people make. Ensure you prep the area correctly and use the right base layer to avoid drainage issues later on. Although artificial grass requires less maintenance, you still need to clean it regularly. Sweep debris off and occasionally hose it down to keep it looking fresh. Outdoor transformation with artificial grass. Let's not forget how incredible artificial grass can be for your outdoor spaces. Imagine transforming your garden, terrace, or poolside into a vibrant green oasis. No more worrying about dead patches or uneven growth, just perfect, consistent greenery. Artificial grass around the pool is a great option because it's non-slip and easy to maintain. It can even stay cool underfoot, so you won't have to worry about burning your feet in the summer. If you don't have a garden, artificial grass can be an excellent way to create a mini garden on your balcony or terrace. It brings in a touch of nature without the hassle. Artificial grass can be a significant investment, but it saves you a lot in the long run. By eliminating the need for water, fertilizers, and frequent landscaping, you'll save thousands over the years. Plus, with proper installation and care, it will last for over a decade, making it a worthwhile investment for your home. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you're excited about the possibilities that premium artificial grass can bring to your home. Whether you're transforming your garden, balcony, or even indoor spaces, this solution can truly elevate your space and make it look beautiful all year round. To help you get started, we've put together a free artificial grass buyer's guide that includes everything we discussed today, plus additional tips on installation and care. You can grab your copy through the link in the description below. And here's something special for our Dubai viewers, we're offering free consultation calls for the next month. If you're ready to transform your space with premium artificial grass, book a call with us, and we'll help you plan the perfect solution for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. And, if you have any questions or want to share your artificial grass projects, drop them in the comments below, I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting renovation tips. Until then, happy renovating.